Hey, Maddie, what are you going to do?
I'm going to read.
Read to who?
Read to you, Mommy.
Oh, great. What are you reading to us today?
Green Eggs and Ham.
Okay, have you ever read this book before?
No.
Okay, go ahead.
Sam I am. That Sam I am. That Sam I am. I do not like that Sam I am. Do you like green eggs and ham? I do not like green eggs. I do not like them, Sam I am. I do not like green eggs and ham.
Good job, man. Keep going.
Would you like them here or there? I would not like them